Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to show you this barbecue grill set. This would make such a great gift for the griller in your life, and it comes in different quantities, so let's check it out. So in this set, you get several pieces. This is tongs. They are nice and long, and they do lock closed. Like those are, it's like 18 inches or longer, so long. Silicone baster, great, nice silicone handle, and a hook so you can hang this on your grill or in your kitchen. Nice sharp meat fork. Again, the silicone handle, so nice. Oh, the spatula is, and these are nice heavy duty. This is like, they have good weight. They're not cheapy. This has a bottle opener. You've got a serrated edge here. Sorry, there you go. For cutting. This is nice and edged. Great spatula. But these are really great quality tools. I'm really impressed. You can check out the different sets that they have. They come in different quantities of tools. And so you can find the one that's right for the gift you are trying to give. But I am enjoying these. Hope you do too.